Hare Krishna. So we are discussing from the 11th verse of the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita entitled Transcendental Knowledge. Yesterday we have seen how Krishna explains that by giving up attachment, fear and anger, one can achieve him. Yes. Today he explains very beautifully in the 11th verse, Ye yatha mam prapadyante tams tathaiva bhajamyaham mama vartmanu vartante manushya partha sarvashah. As all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pritha. Yes. So as one is wanting to come close to Krishna, to that degree, to that way, Krishna will reciprocate. आप जैसे मेरे पास आना चाहते हो. We see, Shastras explain that every living entity is related to Krishna in one of the 5 rasas: Shantya, Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya or Madhurya. Shanti is neutrality, Dasya is servitorship, Sakhya is fraternity, Vatsalya is parentalhood, and Madhurya is conjugal love. So we are all related to Krishna. Every single living entity is related to Krishna. And the way one wants to reciprocate with him, Krishna says, I will accept that devotee in that way. Yes. We have Mirabai. Yes. Mere to giridhar gopal, dusaro no kavi, jaake sar moru mukut, mero pati soi. Yes. Casually Mira asked, Arey, who is my husband? So her mother said, see this Kana, he is your husband. Yes. She could not accept anyone else. Yes. So we see the way one wants the Pandavas took Krishna to be their most intimate friend. And Krishna was very happy to reciprocate with them. So the way one wants to come to Krishna, the way one wants to reciprocate with Krishna, जिस प्रकार से आप मेरे पास आना चाहते हैं, मैं उसी प्रकार के साथ आपसे व्यवहार करूँगा. In one way, we have seen yesterday in this verse, in this chapter, Krishna says, Janma karma chame divyam evam yo vetti tatvatah tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti. So one who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance, my activities, what does he do? He comes back to me. He wants to worship me. Mad bhavam. Yes. He worships me with faith and devotion. For such a person, I take him back to my own eternal abode. Punarjanma na eti maam eti. मैं भगवान उन्हें अपने पास लेकर जाऊंगा. If somebody is a jnani, he completely neglects Lord's and a person's individuality. He feels that the vigraha of Krishna or any devata is all bogus. भगवान निराकार, निर्विकार, निर्विशेष ब्रह्म हैं. तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को जो भगवान को मानता नहीं, जानने की इच्छा नहीं, Krishna says, I will keep putting him in the girth of material activities wherein he will keep on going through birth, old age, disease and death. If somebody is a pure ज्ञानी, वो भगवान को जानता है, उनके जन्म और कर्म को दिव्य मानता है और उनके पास जा रहा है अपने ज्ञान को परिपक्व करने के लिए, तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को भगवान कहता है मैं उसे ब्रह्म ज्योति तक लेके जाऊंगा, जहां पे ब्रह्म सुख अनुभूत्या, ब्रह्म सुख की वो अनुभूति करेगा. पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मरणम के चक्र से वो छूट जाएगा. So the way one wants, if you are a pure devotee who want a transcendental relationship with me, yes. If you completely neglect me, you are an atheist, you have no botheration of who I am, fine. If you have some understanding of who I am and you still want to go through your way, fine. Yes, जैसे आप चाहते हो. So we see, Krishna is such a wonderful master. So ultimately Krishna says, one becomes a karmi, one becomes a jnani, one becomes a yogi, one adheres to Buddhist philosophy, one adheres to Shankara philosophy, one adheres to Vaishnavism. Yes. Apart from Vaishnavism, all others are also taking us to Krishna. but they are all partial realizations. You see, जहाँ पर भी we study mathematics. Mathematics you can go till postdoctoral research also. फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में भी हम मैथ्स सीखते हैं, थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में भी सीखते हैं, 10th में भी सीखते हैं, 12th में भी सीखते हैं, ग्रेजुएशन में भी सीखते हैं। तो जैसे जैसे हम सीखते रहते हैं उसी सब्जेक्ट की गहराई बढ़ती जाती है। सो व्हाट वी लर्न इन फर्स्ट is a very partial realization of what maths is. What we learn in 10th is a little better understanding, but still not full. What we learn in 12th is still not full. Yes. So they are realizations of the same subject matter, but the degree of that realization keeps on increasing. उसी प्रकार से Buddhism, Monism, yes, they are all realizations, but partial realizations. And that's why Krishna says the best is to understand that my birth and my activities are completely transcendental. And one who knows this, he comes back to me. Yes. So, mama vartamanu vartante manushyaha partha sarvashah. अगर कोई जीव, चाहे वो भूत प्रेत पिशाच योनि में हो, विद्याधर यक्ष चारण गंधर्व किन्नर, मनुष्य असुर राक्षस, किसी भी, ये सब मनुष्य योनियां हैं। यस, कोई भी किसी भी अवस्था में है, अल्टीमेटली वो मुझे प्राप्त करने का प्रयास कर रहा है। जिस प्रकार से वो मुझे प्राप्त करने का प्रयास करेगा उस प्रकार से मैं उसके साथ आदान प्रदान करूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हरे कृष्ण।
Krishna Krishna